I'm Catherine. I'm from Tianjin China Rubber Co. Limited. Today, let me introduce our factory. We also stock many raw materials about the unvulcanized rubber tree. Okay, let me introduce our dust spray plant. So please follow me. Surface is smooth and soft, and the harness is also soft. Let me introduce our another plant. This is a diamond rubber machine. Here is cone rubber machine. And we have the 8-drum vulcanized rubber machine. If you want to mix 1 meter then divided into 2, then it has been to make the rubber tree. Okay. Here we have 3 sets of the stomach and plate rubber machine. This is for stomach. This is the wholesale pattern. This is the bottom cover. About this machine, if you want to make a thing like 20 millimeters to 30 millimeters, okay. And now we also have the mold machine. This mold machine can adapt to the customer's rubber hand. Okay. Now let me show you our cutting line. Our cutting line is had a part to the hand cutting line and auto cutting line. Okay, this is our hand cutting line. About this 2 to 5 cutting line by hand. And this is our pancake. This is painted by the pallet, wood pallet, and this is standard export painting. Okay, now let me show you our auto cutting line. In order to increase our speed of the delivery time, so now we increase 3 sets of the auto cutting line. Here's our auto cutting line. So next time, let me show you our one of the warehouse. And you can see here, this is our pancake, which will load the containers. Inside. Hello, this is our warehouse, and packing by the different colors. But most customers will choose white bag, wool bag to pack it. Here is our library. For this machine, it makes the sample size, test size. This is test raw materials about 2 sets of machine. Tester is test raw materials. This is a valve. Test 8 feet footage. And above this is test gravity. This is harness. Test harness. This is test thickness. Above this, test the tire stress, elongation, tear stress. Let me show you our certificates. Here is our material. Now let me show you our enterprise certificate. This is our enterprise certificate. About this high-tech enterprise certificate. This certificate is the ISO certificate. And this one we have the catalog. If you have more interesting about this, you can contact me, email me, or call me. I will send you our catalog to you. Okay. So welcome to our company, Tianjin China Rubber Company. Okay. Thank you. Bye.